Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to make money online in 2023. Now, first and foremost, it's important to note that there are countless ways to make money online, and what works for one person may not work for another person. Now, with that said, here are a few tried and true methods to make money online in the coming year. Now, number one, freelancing. Now, if you have a specific skill or a talent, such as writing, designing, programming, or social media management, you can offer your services as a freelancer. Now, websites such as Upwork or Freelancer allow you to create a profile, bid on projects, and get paid for your work. Number two, blogging. Now, if you enjoy writing and have a passion for a particular topic, consider starting a blog. You can monetize your blog through advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing, recommending projects or earning a commission on those sales. Number three, e-commerce. E-commerce has become very big. If you have a product or an idea and you think people will love, consider starting an online store. Websites like Shopify make it easy to set up an e-commerce store and manage your inventory and orders. Number four, online tutoring. Now, if you have an expertise in a particular subject or field, and you can offer private tutoring and sessions such as through like a tutor.com or Wising. Number five, YouTubing. If you have a talent for creating engaging and entertaining video content, you can start a YouTube channel and monetize your videos through ads and sponsorships. Now, these are just a few ideas that are but there are many other ways to make money online. Now, the key is to find something that you enjoy doing and are very good at, and a way that you can monetize it. Now, if you're looking for for one of the best trainings and something that's proven to make money and something that works without much time, check out the link below. And I want to say thanks for watching this video. I hope it gives you ideas on making money for the coming year. Thank you for watching this video and good luck.